is public interest an overriding factor where the requirements
considered what motivated, and you said also the trial court also
that the Constitution simply says that the role of a Deputy Chief Justice.
The assumption that as Deputy to the Chief Justice, he will always allocate to you duties, isn't it?
Yes.
Supposing he does not allocate to you any duties, what would you do?
Wow, I have not thought of that. I would go to him. I would go to the Chief Justice and humbly remind him that I'm around and would want to be engaged and would want to assist him. I do not for 1 minute imagine that it will be a boring job as a Deputy Chief Justice. There's a lot to be achieved and to be done.